I've received a couple of questions like, if I register my business as a business name, can I upgrade it to a company maybe later? And some other persons will be like, I don't have money for a company corporation now. Can I register it as a business name and later upgrade it to maybe a company? Or some other persons would like to change their business ownership. Business name is strictly for sole proprietorship or maybe partnership. But some other persons would like to change it to maybe incorporated trustee or maybe company limited by a guarantee or maybe by shares. So in this video, we are going to discuss how you can be able to upgrade your business name from just a business name to a company maybe anytime that you want it. It is very simple, and I so much believe in this business because why I keep talking about you knowing how to be able to navigate through the new CAC registration portal is because you can use it as a side hustle. You can still have whatever that you are doing, maybe as a student, maybe have your 9 to 5 job, and still be using this your CAC registration as a business and be using it to cash out from other business owners that need their business to be registered. Okay, so let's go back to our class. So if you go to your new CAC portal, of which I know majority of you know how to navigate through it because we have made video on how to navigate through your CAC portal, how to do your business name reservation and your business name registration. But today we are going to discuss how to upgrade from just your business name to a company name. So if you go to your portal, you will see the new business like new registrations, seek consent, that's apply for consent. Okay, so what we are going to use today is that apply for consent. Let's go to our screen so that I'll show you how to do it A to Z.
Okay, this is our dashboard. You see apply for consent here. Then you see, just go when you log in newly, you just go to these 3 dots by the side, click on name requiring consent. Okay, come down and click on the apply for consent. Okay, so business classification, you can now choose business name, company, incorporated trustee, limited partnership, limited liability partnership. Okay, what you want to do for this first example is business name, company. Okay, we want to upgrade it to private company limited by shares, private unlimited company. We want to do private limited company. Okay, then the reason is registration of a business name as limited. Okay, in our second example, we're going to use use of restricted word, but this first one is registration of business name to a company. Okay, then it says search for company. What you are going to do here is to put your BN number. That is, you already have your business name certificate, that's your CAC certificate. Copy that BN number there and put it here. Automatically that business name that you have registered will pop up. Okay, click on the name. Once you click on the name, it is going to show you to this point. Just click on the apply for consent. Okay, this is just how to do it. Once you click on the apply for consent, it is automatically going to take you to the next page where it is going to say confirm action. Okay, do you want to start a new a new consent application for registration of business name as limited? If you don't want to continue, click on cancel. No, cancel. If you want to continue, which is what you are actually here for, click on yes, start my application. Okay, at this point you are done with your business name incorporation already. You have your BN number already. Just input the number and click on apply. Click on this here, start my application, and it is going to take you to the dashboard of company incorporation, which is going to be your business details, your memorandum, objective of a memorandum, your share capital, your every other thing that is required for a company registration. Okay, it's going to take you to the dashboard, so click on that yes, This is where it is going to automatically bring you company details, article of association, objective of memorandum, directors, secretary, share capital, share issue capitals, upload and documents, everything that you need to do. So just fill in all this form, fill the form, provide all the necessary information that is required, and you are good to go. Okay, so it's not a big thing. We have already made video on how to register your business, so just use that format and you are good to go. Then in our second example, we are going to use another one, which is the use of restricted name. Okay, in business name registration, you can use, now you can see concepts to use some restricted names. There are several restricted names: empire, school. There are several restricted names. Okay, so just pass through this format. That's the company, private limited companies. Then now we want to use the second example, which is the use of restricted word. Okay, just click it on the use of restricted word, and it will, okay, click on that, apply for consent. And to now say confirm, do you want to start an new consent application for use of restricted word? The answer is yes. If you don't want to continue, click no, cancel. If you want to continue, click on yes, start my application. Okay, so once you click on yes, start my application, it is automatically going to take you to, let's say, creating consent application. Okay, bam, this is where it is going to bring you to. Okay, which is business registration, company registration portal, where you are going to have the company details, article of association, objective of memorandum, directors. So provide all the necessary information that is needed here. So here now, company details, you have 3 proposed names. Okay, we have proposed name 1, proposed name 2, and proposed name 3. Provide all the necessary information that is needed: principal, business applications, head office address if applicable, everything. After everything, click on save and continue. Each of them, you have to click on that save and continue. Statements of compliance, upload and preview. After this preview, you make your payment. I don't want to continue this registration because I already created video on how you can be able to register your company by yourself. So there is no point for me to continue this one. I just want to use it to show you that you can actually upgrade your business name from just your business name to a company, and you can also file a consent to use some restricted word, and then it will take you to the proper registration portal and you do your registration. You pay for your filing fee and pay you for your stamp duty, and your business registration certificate will be issued to you. So in case you have not subscribed, please like, share and subscribe. Turn on the notification so that when we create videos like this, you'll be among the first person to be notified. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Bye.